Relax. Yeah. Please have a seat.
You are a liar in the first place. What is that you regret most in life? I regret my habit of going nervous on stage.
Yes, sir.
Which is right? Whatever you have written is right, or whatever you are telling is right. We
Yeah,
have
whatever.
a liar in the interview.
Sorry?
You are a liar.
Hey, not at all, not at all.
I regret my habit of going nervous, and you say that you are not nervous. I feel you are nervous. Okay, to come over the problem is participating, he is nervous.
Yeah, of
Right,
course.
you are
sir.
nervous.
Not at all, not at all.
Shatabdi is nervous and that's why he is late.
Shatabdi, you have the most stupid name I've ever heard.
Fine, sir.
Shatabdi. How can somebody name their kids as Shatabdi?
I am
Are you
having a
trained?
lot of confusion over that.
Are you a train or something?
He is a liar, sir. That's
No,
why.
sir. Shatabdi means 100. So my father kept it as I
Shatabdi.
live 100 years of age.
Shatabdi.
So my father kept it as.
Shatabdi, do you have a brother called Rajdhani?
Of course, no.
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 Sampark Kranti, Garib Rath.
Sir, call me in the name of Garib Rath.
Garib Rath?
Yeah.
I expected that.
ಯಾರಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಉಪಗಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ
Okay. Shatabdi, tell me about yourself.
What
Tell me about
Shatabdi.
yourself.
Hold on. I thought you were coming alone for the interview. Who are you brought along with you, man?
ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡು ತಗೊಳ್ರ Okay, sir.
Shatabdi, tell me about yourself.
So I'm a person with confidence.
Prove it. You say you're confident.
Yeah.
Prove it. I don't think.
In front of whole crowd on stage.
Don't involve the crowd.
Okay.
The interview is only between us. So don't try to get support from the crowd.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Best example is from the last two interviews you are fighting like AK-47 and sitting in front of you. That's the main courage that I have.
No. Prove it. I am still not satisfied.
We are managers for you.
Sorry.
Are we managers?
No.
Why you need courage to sit in front of us?
Sir, you give so much of the strength to
You are
interview so.
stressed. You are stressed.
Not at all.
And then
No.
Chal
Don't come to the
chhota.
conclusion that I'm stressed.
he doesn't go hand in hand, sir. No.
Chal chhota.
Like his communication is not perfect. He says something and he does something.
Hand in
and-
hand means
No.
hand in whose hand?
Sorry?
Hand in hand means hand in whose
Who's
hand?
that? Yes.
Hand in hand means hand in my mother's hand.
Mother side.
Yeah, sir.
Thank God you didn't bring your mother to the interview.
She would be happy if I brought her.
Sorry?
She would have been happy, sir, to see me in front of stage.
I
in front of
can definitely imagine. I
Yes,
can
sir.
definitely imagine you
Yes.
should have been happy if you had brought your mother to the interview.
Money
Sure,
is fear
sure.
for him. Money is fear to
Yeah,
him.
I'll
Why?
explain.
Shatabdi, how many other jobs you have applied for? Before coming to this, how many other companies you have applied for?
Sir, I have given interviews for Infosys, Accenture, and Fidelity National Finance, which I was being selected.
Okay, you are selected. Don't you have the basic common sense to put your phone in silent mode when you come for the interview?
Sorry, I was supposed to give it to my friend. I forgot and came here.
He doesn't have a basic manners. Basic manners. Okay, one question I will ask you. What if you find your boss has an affair with a colleague? What will you do?
What I have
What if
business
you
with the
find-
colleague and boss, sir. Let them do whatever they want.
Your boss.
Of course, he is. My boss is paying me. That's enough. I don't have to interfere in between his personal life and all.
Like in the sense, you find him red-handed. Like in the sense, your boss is having an affair with his colleague. What will you do?
Let him do whatever you want. What I have to do? I don't have to interfere in their matter.
In our organization, whatever answers you have given so far is pathetic. It is not up to the mark. Now, you say you have a lot of difficulty saying no. So if we keep dumping work to you, will you keep accepting it?
At point of time, sir. I may accept it, but at my level, after crossing my limits, I'll say definitely no.
Say definitely no. When is that?
Like when the work interferes in my personal matters. Like I used to work for 8 hours, and more and more pressure built on me, so that I have to work for more than 8 hours, and I cannot tolerate it. Maybe for 2 hours I can, but more than that I can't.
That's not good. That's not good at all. This answer is hopeless. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your time management skills?
I like to rate 8.
8.
You came minutes late, man.
5 minutes late means what happens? Mic was
Time
not working.
management skills 8 on 10. You were late. He has to shout at you. Your name was called twice. You are nowhere to be
If
found.
I have to manage the time sense, then you would have been told to stand me here, sir. Not
Hello.
walking from there.
Hello,
It takes
you
2
are-
minutes to
you are-
walk from there, and you are taking the time.
You are the one. You are the one who told You are the one who said you will rate yourself an 8 out of 10, but you are late.
That's what.
Isn't that a contradiction?
Don't give reasons.
Don't give
justify.
reasons, don't
You
give
are late.
excuses. You are late.
You are
Yeah,
late.
yes,
Yes,
I'm
no.
like that.
Then how
How can
what
you get
basis
8
you
out
can
of
give
10?
yourself 8 out of 10?
You need to give yourself 3.
How come 2 minutes late? If I was on 1 hour late, I would have been rated 2 or 3.
In the real world interview, I don't know you, you don't know me.
Yeah.
Based on you arriving late, I would have already formulated a decision whether to hire you or not, because you don't get a second chance to make a good first impression.
Yeah, of course, sir. But
You already ruined that reputation. You came 3 minutes late and you're justifying. You're giving reasons why you were late.
I'm
calling
late not
from there,
because of
calling from
personal
here,
thing.
calling
I'm
from
late.
Sri Lanka to Yalanka.
I'm not late because of my personal things, sir. I'm not stuck in any kind of traffic and all. I was late because of coming through the crowd. Because of coming from the upstairs, I was late. And every contestant took 2 minutes to come here, sir.
Don't
That
compare.
happened.
And you don't justify to us. Don't teach us our job.
No.
Am I clear?
Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
So he thinks that is entertainment.
Your entertainment is 10 on 10.
Yeah.
Please prove it to us. Entertainment, you rate yourself 10 on 10. So please prove it to us in 30 seconds. You have 30 seconds. Your time starts now.
उड़न खटोला और बीन बजाती हुई नागिन।
Abhi, thank you very much. Well done. We'll get back to you. Guys, do job. Siddharth, please clap for him. Well done.
A huge round of applause to Shatabdi!